While digital printing technology allows for unparalleled design freedom, its print-on-demand nature requires some unique sampling and proofing solutions, some of which you can see here. And we're constantly trying to improve on them and find new ways so you can demonstrate to your customer what their final custom product will look like.
The Level program has a variety of proofing tools available to you and your representative. One of those tools that you'll probably have from the very beginning are unprinted feeler samples. These give you a great idea of how the substrate's going to feel and how it interacts when you put it on the wall. You'll also have an opportunity to take a look at printed feeler samples or memo samples. These are a little bit bigger. They're not customizable. These are printed with standard designs and standard colorways just to give you an idea of how the ink interacts with the particular substrate. The second step in your specification process will be the digital PDF mockups.
Once you get onto this phase of planning, we would like to know the dimensions, and if you have any elevations, that makes it a lot easier for us to drop the proposed design into an elevation so you can get a good chance of seeing what it will look like positioned on the actual wall. One of these tools later in the process, once you've chosen your design, is a paper presentation proof. These are 16 by 20 inches, and they're printed onto paper. They used to be called CADs. What they do is they feature a large detail crop from the image, as well as the full scale of the chosen design at the bottom, along with the colors used here in these squares on the bottom. It's not intended to be used as a final approval tool, but more as a good way of seeing the layout, the color, and the scale, and it's really meant to be more of a presentation aid. When you want to get into looking at what scale really will look like, you need to have it printed on the substrate that the final mural will be printed on. Those we call strike-offs, and that's kind of the final stage of our proofing.
The strike-off is a 36-inch by 52-inch sample printed onto the substrate of choice. It's fully customized to all your specifications. It'll have the colors that you choose. If you change the colors, it'll be to scale for your mural. It's just like cutting out a little section of your entire mural so that you can approve it before we finally produce your entire project.
Our goal is to provide you with the most accurate, beneficial, and cost-effective tools possible to help you visualize the final product before it goes into the final stages of production.